Honestly, you guys, I cannot believe the things that I'm just receiving for free. I have never experienced this much abundance and magnetism. Like, what is in these meditations? Like, my brain cannot even comprehend what is happening. I'm doing Dr. Joe Dispenza meditations every day. This is day 11. I'm continuing strong with the generating gratitude one, and this is my favorite so far. So I was in Bali, and on this day, we went up to this cute little seaside town called Uluwatu. I don't know if you should call it a seaside town, but anyway, it gives off like a very California vibe for me, like a mix between Huntington Beach and Santa Barbara. It's super beautiful. You have to go up there if you're in Bali. But I want to talk about the magical things that happened that day. It's so funny because at this point, doing these meditations, I just expect magic to happen. Like, I finish these meditations and I feel so good, and I just know that I'm going to have a great day, and I expect miracles to happen. And I think that's part of it as well. You know, you're shifting your mindset to expect great things to happen every day, and you're just opening yourself up to that magic. So anyway, we get up to Uluwatu and we went to this delicious restaurant called O Uluwatu. You should definitely go when you're there. Tell them Silkina sent you. Delicious food, delicious desserts, and just like the place is so serene and calming and so beautiful. But anyway, we get in, we get lunch, and of course, we get desserts for free. It's just crazy the amount of free things that I've been getting since doing these meditations. And I know that I get a lot of comments saying it's not a big deal because it's just food, or if you get attention from people, that's not a win. But the truth is, if you cannot see these little instances as abundance and synchronicity, you are missing the whole point, because the whole point is not to just get your end manifestation, but it's these little things on the way that's giving you signs that, you know, hey, you're opening yourself up, and this is me, the universe, saying keep going. Your energy is magnetic, and I'm going to show you that it is. So at the end of this lunch, we go back down to where we were staying, which is Canggu. And this night, we decided we wanted to go for karaoke. And we went to this super fun karaoke bar. And of course, this place was full. Everyone was like going up and singing and having a great time. And there was this couple and their friends that was singing all of our favorite songs. And for some reason, we just like really vibed with them and started singing together. And just as we were about to pack up to leave, they came to our table and they're like, we ordered too much whiskey. Do you want a glass of free whiskey? And if you watched my previous video, I'm a whiskey gal. So I'm like, yes. And again, this place was full. They could have gone to any table, but they decided to come to our table and offer us our favorite drink and give it for free. I've gotten like 2 free whiskeys since doing these meditations, which is hilarious. I get it if this happened just once or twice, but in Bali, this was happening to me every day. Like every single day, somebody just gifted me free stuff. And this has never happened to me before. And I'm convinced, and I know that it's because of these meditations. And I also do EFT tapping. If you're not familiar with that, this is what my page is all about. And I actually have a course called Become Magnetic, which is all about tapping to become a magnet to your desires. So I feel like doing EFT tapping and these meditations just like propelled my energy. So anyway, that was day 11. Free dessert and free whiskey. What are the odds? I don't think it's a coincidence. But anyway, I cannot wait to tell you more about the remaining days because the synchronicities just get freakier. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ask me any questions in the comments below and follow for more. Bye.